Currently on scene of a serious collision westbound 401 approaching Morningside.
3 people are in hospital, one with critical injuries, after a passenger vehicle slammed into a Ministry of Transportation truck that was stationed on a stretch of Highway 401 in Scarborough early Sunday morning, police say. MTO had parked a blocker truck and a pickup truck in 2 of the 3 westbound lanes approaching Morningside, Ontario Provincial Police say. Just before 2 a.m., a black car carrying 3 men collided with an MTO pickup truck that was parked in the right westbound lane approaching Morningside, Ontario Provincial Police say. The pickup truck was one of 2 MTO trucks blocking lanes in the area to protect the scene of a prior collision, police say. The truck was unoccupied, police say, and the driver of the MTO blocker truck parked in the lane beside it was uninjured. The 3 men in the passenger vehicle that collided with the truck were taken to hospital, police say. One of them remains in critical condition, according to a police update at 8:30 a.m. Sunday. Westbound collector lanes were closed on Highway 401 at Meadowvale, but police say they have since reopened. A 13-year-old girl has died following an incident involving snow in Châteauguay, a suburb south outside of Montreal. Châteauguay police announced the child died in hospital on Thursday. Local police received a 911 call on February 19 after the girl was reportedly found unresponsive under a collapsed snowbank. She was transported to Saint Justine Hospital in critical condition. Châteauguay Mayor Eric Allard expressed his condolences to the girl's family on social media Friday morning. Sadly, I have been informed that the young girl who was hospitalized following an accident, possibly in a snow tunnel, has passed away. I would like to offer my sympathies to the family in this horrible situation. There are no words to explain the pain the family must be going through right now. While the incident is still under investigation, it's a tragic reminder of the dangers that can occur during winter play. The girl's death is just one of many that occur each winter due to suffocation from snow forts or tunnels. After a historic 74 centimeters of snowfall in just over a week, Montrealers may finally get a reprieve, not from winter, but from overflowing trash bins. Garbage collection is set to resume Monday after being temporarily suspended for snow removal efforts. But with mountains of snow still dominating the city's streets, collection crews will face an uphill battle. The city halted garbage collection to prioritize snow clearing, citing safety concerns and logistical challenges. Plows needed unrestricted access to the roads, and garbage trucks navigating the same icy corridors would have complicated operations further. The city said the temporary pause was necessary to prevent congestion and improve road conditions as quickly as possible. Despite the full-force efforts of nearly 3,000 workers and 2,500 snow removal vehicles, Montreal's snow clearing operation remains a formidable task. As of Sunday, only 48% of the city's streets have been cleared, with roughly 11,000 kilometers of municipal roads and sidewalks to navigate. The process is moving slower than usual, complicated by the sheer volume of snowfall since February 13th. To ensure safety and efficiency, snow removal teams took a mandatory 24-hour break from Friday night to Saturday after reaching their maximum work hour threshold. The pause allowed operators, who handle large machinery in hazardous conditions, to rest and reset before continuing the grueling work. While waste collection is officially resuming citywide, conditions remain challenging. Some streets, still buried under heavy snow, may see partial or delayed service. The city's priority remains snow removal, and waste collection crews must operate without interfering with plowing efforts. To ensure a smoother process, residents should keep trash bins and bags on their property rather than on sidewalks or near snowbanks, where they could obstruct snowplows or be buried under fresh snowfall. Additionally, the city advises obeying parking bans, as towed cars significantly delay snow removal operations and clearing sidewalks of bulky items. Keeping pathways free of obstacles allows for faster snow clearing. The city acknowledges some disruptions may persist and urges patience as services gradually return to normal. Meanwhile, building owners in Montreal are seeking assistance at a high rate due to concerns about the weight of accumulated snow on their roofs. However, Steve Granier, Vice President and Chief Estimator at Teutsch Hoag, cautioned that building owners and managers could face financial consequences if insurers refuse claims due to negligence. According to Granier, excessive snow accumulation can lead to roof damage or collapse, and failure to take preventive action may result in insurers denying coverage. Teutsch Hoag and other providers of roofing services are receiving hundreds of calls daily, averaging 10 per hour, as recent snowfall has added significant weight, with 72.4 centimeters falling in just 4 days, an event not seen in 125 years. Sudbury is waking up to light snow and drifting snow this morning, with a current temperature of minus 2.6 degrees Celsius as of 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The wind chill is a brisk minus 10 degrees Celsius, thanks to strong southerly winds at 36 kilometers per hour. The barometric pressure is 100.1 kilopascals and falling, signaling an active weather system that will bring a messy mix of precipitation today. Expect snow to mix with rain by late morning, before tapering off into drizzle or flurries this afternoon. Snowfall amounts of 2 to 4 centimeters are expected before the transition. Winds will continue to be strong, with southerly gusts up to 60 kilometers per hour before shifting westward at 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40 kilometers per hour later in the afternoon. The temperature will rise to plus 3 degrees Celsius, but with the wind chill at minus 10 degrees Celsius this morning, it'll feel much colder. The evening will remain cloudy, with a 40% chance of drizzle or flurries, changing to a 40% chance of just flurries after midnight. Winds from the west at 20 kilometers per hour will calm down overnight, and temperatures will dip to minus 2 degrees Celsius, with a wind chill of minus 5 degrees Celsius. The unsettled pattern continues into Tuesday, with cloudy skies and a 40% chance of flurries in the morning. By noon, there's another chance for a mix of rain showers or flurries, as temperatures reach plus 1 degree Celsius. Winds will shift north at 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, making it feel like minus 6 degrees Celsius in the morning. By Tuesday night, clouds will linger, with a 30% chance of flurries and a much colder low of minus 10 degrees Celsius. Environment Canada has issued a winter weather travel advisory for communities north of Sault Ste. Marie that will continue from Sunday night through until Monday morning. The National Weather Agency says local snowfall accumulations of 8 to 15 centimeters are possible in Searchmont, Batchawana Bay, Montreal River Harbour, Lake Superior Provincial Park, Wawa and White River. Drivers were warned to expect reduced visibility at times in heavy snow. Snow, heavy at times, will begin this evening near Lake Nipigon and after midnight for areas east of Lake Superior, Environment Canada said. Motorists should expect hazardous winter driving conditions and adjust travel plans accordingly. Tips including slowing down driving in slippery conditions, watching for taillights ahead, and maintaining a safe following distance. If visibility is reduced while driving, turn on your lights.